Hello viewers, and welcome to this very special episode of Aerospace Mag. Recently, I was at the public park where I made my EC-1500 cargo plane. Here, I was flying the E-flite Night Radian 2-meter wingspan motor glider, which is a very beautiful airplane and I've been enjoying for about a little over a year now, at least the version 2. While I was there, a gentleman by the name of Josh was flying his quadcopter, and so he offered to go up and take some air-to-air shots of the Night Radian. And I must say, they turned out really great. First of all, I must thank Josh for sending me that footage. It is incredible, and viewers, I know you're going to love it. So without further ado, ladies and gentlemen, let's get into a very special air-to-air footage montage of the E-flite Night Radian. And this is the first time that we've ever had air-to-air footage on this YouTube channel. All right, viewers, I'm looking forward to showing you this. Let's get started. Hey, it landed. All right, viewers, I hope you enjoyed this special edition of Aerospace Matt. Thanks again to Josh for allowing us to use the footage, and especially for having him use his incredible drone flying techniques to get some pretty neat shots of the E-flite Night Radian version 2. Viewers, I hope you enjoyed once again, and I will see you in the next video.